Welcome back to Vehicle Insights. Today, I'm going to show you how to check your car tire pressure, a quick and easy task that's super important for keeping your car safe and efficient. Proper tire pressure ensures better fuel efficiency, improves handling, and prevents uneven tire wear. So let's jump into it. First, you need to find the recommended tire pressure for your vehicle. You can usually find this information on a sticker located inside the driver's door or in your owner's manual. For this car, the front tires should be at 33 psi and the rear tires at 32 psi. Make sure to check these numbers before moving forward. You'll need a tire pressure gauge, digital or manual. And if your tires are low, an air compressor to top them off. Now let's get started. First, remove the valve cap from your tire. Firmly press the tire gauge onto the valve stem and wait for the reading. If your tire pressure is low, connect the air compressor to the valve stem. Add air in short bursts, checking the pressure frequently to avoid overinflating. After adding a little air, check the pressure again with your gauge. I'm now at 32 psi, which is perfect. If you accidentally overinflate the tire, don't worry. Just press the valve stem lightly to release some air and check the pressure again. And that's it. Checking your tire pressure is super easy and only takes a few minutes, but it makes a huge difference in your car's safety and performance. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more car maintenance tips and DIY projects. If you have any questions or want to see more content like this, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Vehicle Insights.